Hello, I'm Shraveena. My presentation is about the effect of extraction kits on the interpretation of metabarcoding results. DNA from sediment collected at fish farms can tell us about the environmental status of the site. It can be a useful tool to monitor the impacts of farms on benthic communities. However, different protocols in the laboratory can affect sequencing results. The aim of this project was to test two different proprietary extraction kits. We collected the sediment from salmon farms at different distances from the cages to capture different levels of organic enrichment. We used the two kits to extract DNA from all samples using a different mass of sediment with each kit. The first kit is cheaper and faster, and if it can capture benthic communities as well as the other, it could save the industry time and money. We carried out PCRs targeting the 16S and CO1 fragments to test the effect of extraction kit on bacterial and eukaryotic DNA. Read counts of family-level bacterial data and eukaryotic ASVs were transformed and subjected to non-metric multidimensional scaling and a permutational multivariate analysis of variance. The 16S data showed a separation of samples by extraction kit along the y-axis. However, samples extracted with both kits showed a gradient based on distance, with cage-edge stations at the right, the intermediate stations in the middle, and the distant or reference stations to the left. The permutational multivariate ANOVA of the 16S data showed that extraction kit contributes to approximately 7% of variation in the data. The CO1 data also showed a grouping of samples of both kits on the basis of distance from the farm, highlighted here by the different circles. The multivariate ANOVA of CO1 showed that extraction kits contribute to about 5% of variation in the data. Both kits performed similarly in differentiating stations, with the PowerSoil Pro kit being cheaper and faster. Though both kits demonstrate the same major trend, subtle differences may not be distinguished. These variations between the kits could influence the results and interpretation of metabarcoding. Based on these data, we recommend that the same extraction kit should be used to develop protocols for monitoring of fish farms with metabarcoding. Thank you.